Well, baseball has the Baseball Hall of Fame in Cooperstown, and football has the Pro Hall of Fame in Canton. But we're RV fans. Guess where we're at today?
We're at the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. Woo! I've wanted to go here my whole life.
We're going to head in and show you around.
Wow. We have come a long way with RVs.
I guess you can say this is from the 70s with the shag carpet and these colors. We'll find out, but it is
Retro.
retro. So, a microwave? Wow.
That's been added later.
I don't know.
That's good. Oh, look, the refrigerator. Wow. It's yellow.
Bigger than ours. What, Beth?
That mattress looks as bad as ours before we got the new one.
Speaking of new mattresses.
If you remember when we got our new Jayco, or new to us Jayco, the mattress was absolutely horrid. I think we actually tried to sleep on it for 3 separate nights and it was not happening.
Yep, thin, bumpy, lumpy.
Horrible, horrible mattress.
And while we're thinking about it, we want to thank RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video.
So we promised we would give you an update on our mattress, and now's as good a time as any because we've actually slept on it for a little over 2 months. So we ended up with the Signature Hybrid, medium firmness with the cooling top on it, which I really do think helps to make it a little bit cooler as we're sleeping. And Danny's even snoring less.
Hey.
We're both side sleepers, so our shoulders don't hurt when we get out of bed because the mattress is so comfortable.
And it just feels like home. Where normal in the past in RVs, we felt like, hey, we're just camping out, and it really felt like it. This really feels like home. We love this bed as much as we love our bed at home.
Right, maybe even a little more.
Yeah.
RVmattress.com and Brooklyn Bedding are made right here in the United States, shipped from Arizona.
And their shipping is free.
It's anywhere in the United States, it's shipped free.
Also, they have a 120-night sleep trial, so you get to try the mattress out for 120 nights before you have to make a decision on it. So the mattress comes with a 10-year warranty. Something good that we learned from Brooklyn Bedding is that they offer different firmness, heights, and dimension. Our RV bed is not just a standard size, so we had to give them our specific specifications for this bed.
So after over 2 months on the road, sleeping in this bed each and every night, we're here to tell you we love it. We love the comfort, we love the coolness of the cooling pad, and we've slept a lot better than we have.
And if you're needing a new mattress for your RV, go to rvmattress.com/RV America.
And if you want 20% off, use the code RV America.
Now, let's get back to that RV museum.
Sunny day, right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream? The next day you called me up, you told me I'm your little buttercup. You came over and you fell into my arms. Well, I know what I feel. Please tell me your love is real. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish that you were mine.
So way back in the day, we had a pop-up. It was nothing like this.
Just the thought of you. A long blonde hair and your beautiful smile. Your sense of humor makes it all worthwhile. Don't make me wait, it's not a funny game. You know just what I feel. Please tell me your love is real. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish that you were mine. I can't get enough. Hopeless lover, a hopeless lover, hopeless lover. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, and I can't get enough, can't get enough, I can't get enough, I can't get enough. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, I wish that you were mine. I can't get enough. Hopeless lover, hopeless lover, and that's what I am. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish this girl were mine. And I can't get enough. A hopeless lover.
I found it! It's the KYD bus. And look here.
There's Charlie.
There's Charlie.
From a dream, it's harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song. Running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.